Hope you guys are all doing well. This week I had a chance to visit Dinosaur BBQ, which is probably one of the most popular restaurants around the area. The exterior design of the restaurant have an antique vibe with graffiti. One of the perks of visiting Dinosaur BBQ is you can enjoy the Hudson view as well. Interior is really cozy and sometimes they do live band performance. I personally always order barbecue pork ribs. I don't know what they do to make the barbecue, but it's really good. The overall quality of the side dish was light and clean. I really love the night view of the Hudson River. It's really beautiful.